Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math 6 IIT Academy. In this video, our topic is trigonometry and subtopic is trigonometric ratios of multiples of angle. So first of all, let us know what is meant by multiples of angle. So an angle in the form of NA is called multiple of angle. So here I will give the examples. Suppose that 2A, 3A, 4A like this. So these type of angles are called multiples of angles. So now we will see the trigonometric ratios of multiples of angles at 2 n is equal to 2 and also n is equal to 3 means we will see the sin 2a value, sin 3a value and the rest of the things also we will see. Okay. So first of all we need this formula, that is sin a plus b is equal to what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. So now what we have to do means here put b is equal to a. Okay, here already we have a plus b. Now I am substituting b is equals to a. Then what will happen here means here sin a plus a is equals to here sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. Okay, so that means here sin a cos a, sin a cos a. That means here 2 sin a cos a. So here sin a plus a is 2a. So sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. So next here what I am doing means just I will divide with cos square a. So what we will get here means here sin a cos a divided by cos a into cos a. Okay. So here 2 tan a into cos square a. Okay, so that means here 2 tan a. So cos square a means here we can write secant square a. Both are reciprocal to each other. So here we have one identity, that is secant square a minus tan square a is equals to 1. So secant square a means here we can write 1 plus tan square a. That means here 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a. This is one formula in terms of sin and cos a, and also sin 2a is equals to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is another formula, of course, which is important also. Okay, in terms of tan. Okay, so next cos 2a we will see. So cos 2a. So if you want to find out cos 2a, we want cos a plus b formula. So cos a plus b is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So now substitute b is equals to a. Then what we get here? Left side cos a plus b is equal. Sorry, here we are substituting b is equals to a. So that here cos a plus a is equals to cos a minus sin a. Sin b means here then cos a. Sorry, sin a. So here cos a into cos a is cos square a minus sin a into sin a becomes sin square a. So LHS side we have cos 2a. So cos 2a is equals to what? Cos square a minus sin square a. So here already we know one identity, that is sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So we can use this identity and we can express cos 2a in terms of purely sin or purely cos, or we can express in terms of tan also. So that we will see. So here cos square means here we can write 1 minus sin square. So here 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. So here 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, so this is what cos 2a value in terms of only sin value. Now if you want to express only in terms of cos, substitute sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. Then what you get here? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 2 minus 2 minus plus 2 cos square a. So here 2 cos square a 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So that here 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. So this is the value of cos function cos 2a in terms of only cos. So cos 2a is equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. So this is the cos in terms of cos in terms of cos 2a in terms of only cos. So here we will see cos in terms of tan. So here cos 2a we have got as what? Cos square a minus sin square a. So here denominator we have 1. Okay, so 1 means here, what I am writing means here cos square a minus sin square a. So what we can write means here, we can write sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, so now what I am doing means here, simply divide both sides with, here we have to get in terms of tan, so divide both sides with cos square a. So what you will get means here, cos square a by cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a divided by sin square a by cos square a plus cos square a by cos square a. Okay, so now here what we will get here, cos square will get cancelled, and here also cos square will get cancelled. So now here what we have means here 1 and minus sin square a by cos square a becomes here tan square a. So 1 minus tan square a divided by here sin square a by cos square a becomes tan square a plus here 1. So 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a is a cos 2a value. So this is the expression of the cos 2a in terms of only tan. So now here one more thing also we can observe here. So here already we have seen cos 2a in terms of only cos, that is equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. So now what I am doing is I am taking 1 into this side, so that cos 2a plus 1 is equals to 2 cos square a. So here cos square a value, if you want to find out, means your cos 2a plus 1 by 2. Okay, so cos square a is equals to cos 2a plus 1 by 2, and this is the expression of the cos square a in terms of only cos. So next here we have, we can also express this cos 2a in terms of sin. So here 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, so now here take this into this side. So here what will be 2 sin square a is equals to 1 plus 1 minus cos 2a. So here take 2 into that side, we will get sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay, so the result is sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So these two are the very important results, and here we have to remember that, sir. Okay, that's all about the sin 2a and also cos 2a. Next here we will see tan 2a. Okay, so tan 2a means here tan a plus b formula we have to remember. So tan a plus b means here tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is the tan a plus b formula. So now put b is equals to a here. Then what will it means here, tan a plus a is equals to tan a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan a. So that means that tan a plus tan a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So this is the tan a plus a means 2a. So tan 2a in terms of tan is tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay. So next we have cot. So cot means here cot a plus b is equals to what? Cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot b. This is the formula of cot a plus b. Now substitute b is equals to a, then what will it means here, cot a plus a is 2a. Okay, so here cot a into cot a minus 1 divided by cot b plus, cot b means here we have to substitute a, so cot a plus cot a. So cot a into cot a becomes here cot square a minus 1 divided by 2 cot a. So this is the value of cot 2a. Okay, so tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, and cot 2a is equals to cot square a minus 1 divided by 2 cot a. Okay, so that's all about the expression of the sine, cos and tan. Okay, so now we will see sine 3a is equals to how much? Okay, so sine 3a if you want means here sine a plus b is equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, so now here I am putting b is equals to 2a. Okay, so then what I will get means here sine a plus 2a is equals to sine a cos 2a. Okay, b is equals to, we are substituting 2a here, plus cos a in terms of sine b means here 2a. Okay, so sine a. Okay, so here cos 2a, no, so cos 2a in terms of sine we can write as 1 minus 2 sine square a. Okay, plus cos a, and sine 2a means formula is 2 sine a cos a. Okay, so here we can write sine a minus 2 sine cube a. Okay, just I am multiplying with sine a, plus 2 sine a cos square a. Okay, so now what I will get means here sine a minus 2 sine cube a plus 2 sine a into cos square a means here I can write 1 minus sine square a, means I am expressing everything in terms of only sine. So after conversion of the cos square a in terms of only sine, then here you will get here sine a minus 2 sine cube a plus 2 sine a minus 2 sine cube a. Okay, so here sine a plus 2 sine a becomes here 3 sine a minus 2 sine cube a minus 2 sine cube a means here minus 4 sine cube a. So hence the formula of sine 3a is equals to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Okay, this is also very important formula, and these formulas we will use to derive some more formulas. Means here we are seeing in this video trigonometric ratios of multiples of angles. So next video I am going to explain about the submultiples of angles. Okay, so that time we directly write all the formulas, and in that we will substitute whatever we want. Okay, so that's all about the sine 3a. So now we will see cos 3a. So cos 3a means here we need cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So what I am doing means here I am substituting b is equals to 2a, so that here I will get cos 3a in the right side, and next RHS side here cos a cos b minus sin b means here we have to substitute 2a. Okay, so minus sin a sin 2a. So here cos a cos 2a means here in terms of only cos we have to express here, so that cos 2a in terms of only cos is 2 cos square a minus 1 minus sin a. So sin 2a means here 2 sin a cos a. Okay, so here cos multiply here 2 cos a into cos square means here 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus here 2 sin square a into cos a. So 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 into express this sin square in terms of cos square, then you will get 1 minus cos square a into cos a. So here 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 into cos a minus 2 cos a minus 2 into minus, so plus 2 cos square into cos a becomes cos cube a. So here we have 2 cos cube a, 2 cos cube a becomes 4 cos cube a. So 4 cos cube a minus 2 cos a minus 3 cos a. That means the formula for cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, so this is the formula for cos 3a. Next we will find tan 3a. So in the similar manner, here I am taking tan a plus b. Tan a plus b means that tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so here substitute b is equals to 2a. So then here we will get tan 3a is equals to tan a plus tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b means here we have to substitute 2a here. So 2a. So here tan a plus tan 2a means formula is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a means here 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, so now here in the numerator take the LCM. So here LCM is what? 1 minus tan square a. So here 1 minus tan square a into tan a plus 2 tan a. Okay, divided by, in the denominator LCM is 1 minus tan square a. So this numerator LCM 1 minus tan square a, denominator LCM 1 minus tan square a will get cancelled. Hence we will get the numerator terms of the denominator. So here I am not writing this denominator and numerator is denominator. Okay, so here 1 minus tan square a into 1 is 1 minus tan square a minus tan a into 2 tan a becomes here 2 tan square a. Okay, so now I will multiply. So when I am multiplying here, tan a into 1 becomes tan a minus tan square a into tan a becomes here tan cube a plus 2 tan a by here 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a means 1 minus 3 tan square a. So here when you see the final result of the tan 3a is equals to tan 3a is equals to what? Here tan a plus 2 tan a becomes 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, so this is the result of the tan 3a value. Okay, so sin 3a is equals to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and tan 3a is equals to 3 tan a minus 3 tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, so these are the very important formulas. So that's all about the video of the trigonometric ratios of multiple sum angles. So thank you for watching. Thank you all.